Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the specifications of your MacBook Pro M5. To check your laptop specifications, navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and go to About this Mac. Here you can find all the main information about your laptop, like your chip, model, the amount of memory, the startup disk, the serial number, and the macOS version. For more info, click right here. Then you'll get transferred to the general section in settings, where you can find some more information. But if you want the entire report, go to System Report option at the bottom, and you will get to the window where you can check all the information that you may need for any purpose. Just select the category from the sidebar and get the information about your device's entire hardware. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.